Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. The benzaldehyde it undergo electrophilic substitution mostly in the meta position. Mostly in the meta position. It undergo electrophilic substitution. Under different conditions, they may undergo nitration, sulfonation, chlorination. Under this electrophilic substitution, we are going to see the nitration, sulfonation and chlorination. First we move to the nitration in presence of the mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. It undergo nitration. In metaposition. The addition of NO2, substitution of NO2 is named as nitration. It is named as nitration. What is the name? Nitration. So nitration it takes place in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid in metaposition. How metaposition? CHO and NO2 they are in 1 and 3rd position. CHO is first and NO2 is in 3rd. So it is named as metaposition. We understood the benzaldehyde they used to go electrophilic substitution. The benzaldehyde they used to go electrophilic substitution in metaposition. Then we see the sulfonation. For this we are using concentrated sulfuric acid. In presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, benzaldehyde it give meta benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. In metaposition, SO3 group is replaced. That is substituted by SO3H. In metaposition, SO3H is substituted. It is named as sulfonation. What is the name? Sulfonation. The substitution of SO3 is named as sulfonation. It is named as sulfonation. SO3 substitution in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid in metaposition. Now we move to the chlorination in presence of ferric chloride and there is no catalyst. How they give the different product in chlorination? In presence of concentrated ferric chloride, there is a chlorination in metaposition. As usual, chlorination in metaposition, we are getting metachlorobenzaldehyde. But there is no catalyst, we are getting benzoyl chloride. This CHO it become C double bond O Cl, benzoyl chloride. The chlorination in presence of FeCl3 it take place in benzene ring, but no catalyst means in the aldehyde group it become benzoyl chloride. This is the difference in chlorination in presence of ferric chloride and without catalyst. What happened to the chlorination of benzaldehyde? Electrophilic substitution reaction of acetophenone. The acetophenone react with nitrating mixture. We already know what is nitrating mixture. The mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It is named as nitrating mixture. The nitrating mixture is nothing but the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Here also the substitution takes place in metaposition. The acetophenone CCH5COCH3 it nitrated in metaposition. We are getting meta-nitroacetophenone. Here we have to keep two things in mind. What is nitrating mixture and which is a position they are getting nitration. In meta position, acetophenone it nitrated with the presence of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Test for aldehydes. While we are doing the organic salt analysis, we have to confirm the presence of functional group like aldehyde, ketone, acid, likewise. For confirming this, we have to do some test. Likewise, for aldehyde, we have to confirm with a test like tolerance reagent, then Fehling solution test, Pentic solution test, and Sips reagent test. So first we move to the tolerance reagent test. What is tolerance reagent? An ammonical silver nitrate solution is tolerance reagent. An ammonical silver nitrate solution is tolerance reagent. When an aldehyde is formed with tolerance reagent, a bright silver mirror is formed. A bright silver mirror is formed. And because of the formation of silver metal, silver metal, we are getting bright silver mirror. And because of the formation of silver metal, there is a bright silver mirror. This reaction is also called as silver mirror test for aldehyde. Silver mirror test for aldehydes. We are taking aldehyde, acetaldehyde. It reacts with, there is nothing but it forms with tolerance reagent. It is given the ionic form 2AgNH3 twice plus 3 OH minus. We are getting silver mirror 2Ag. On presence of Ag, we are getting silver mirror. How we are getting Ag? CH3CHO, it becomes CH3COO minus. In 2AgNH3 twice, it becomes 4NH3. How? NH3 twice into 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4NH3. 2 into Ag, 2Ag. 3 OH minus, and also here also one hydrogen. We are getting 2H2O. This is a tolerance reagent test. By this test, we can confirm the presence of aldehyde. Next test, Fehling solution test. Fehling solution test. Fehling solution is prepared by mixing equal volume of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. With equal volume of Fehling solution A and B. What is Fehling solution A? Aqueous copper sulfate. Aqueous copper sulfate. What is Fehling solution B? Alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartarate. Alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartarate. When aldehyde is formed with Fehling solution, we are getting deep blue color solution. Deep blue color solution is changed to red precipitate of cuprous oxide. After we are mixing Fehling solution, the solution is become deep blue color solution. After warming, we are getting red precipitate of cuprous oxide. We are getting red precipitate, and because of the formation of cuprous oxide, we are getting red precipitate. Move to the chemical reaction. Aldehyde plus Fehling solution. Here also it is given in ionic form. CH3CHO plus 2Cu2 plus 5 OH minus. Cu2 plus is blue color. Now it become a red color, and because of the formation of cuprous oxide. Here cuprous oxide is precipitated. It is given in the symbol down arrow. It indicates that there is a precipitation. After we are adding the Fehling solution, we are getting blue color solution. After warming, completion of chemical reaction, there is a precipitate of cuprous oxide. Because of that, we are getting red precipitate. If there is a red precipitate, we can confirm the presence of aldehyde. We can confirm the presence of aldehyde. This is one of the tests to confirm the aldehydes.